This is the Eolleji. This kind of lilies are abundant in this place, so that's why they named this village after it. We are in. So let's see how the chickens are raised here in South Korea, and we'll do some egg picking activity as well. Let's go there.
The name of the farm is called Hotelcoco. Coco means chicken in Korean in a cute way.
Yeah.
So this is a farm, so it's a big farm, so we call it Hotel Coco.
냄새다.
Here are the chickens.
너무 커요.
조심해서 미끄러울 수 있으니까 조심하세요. 이게 여기는 닭이 어떻게 돼 있는지, 이렇게 털이 왜 빠졌는지.
This is what the chickens in Korea look like.
그리고 여기 보면 이제 알은 여기 산란상자가 여기 있어. 여기 들어가서 알을 낳는 거야. 아무데나 알을 낳는 게 아니고. 그래서 이제 쟤들 저 뒤에 올라서 가 있는 데 있죠. 저기는 이제 햇대라고 잠자는 곳이에요. 얘들 근데 밤이 되면 저 위에 올라가 다 잠을 자는 거야. 여기 보면은 이 안에서 산란상자에 그래서 똑똑 높은 쪽 똑똑하고 문을 여는 거예요. 문을 열면은 이 달걀 있죠. 이 달걀이 10개씩 담는 게 돼 있어.
Get some eggs. So this is how you do it. This is where the chickens are. So you know. And then. Okay. There are the eggs.
따로 담아서
It's not white. It's quite flesh colored. Okay. Let's get some more.
사진 찍게, 사진.
여기도 보고 이제 두 분이 같이. 자, 오케이. 아, 좋아요. 하나, 둘, 카메라.
Ah.
맛있어요.
오, 나 태웠어. 이걸 하나 오케이. 자, 하나, 둘. 예, 그렇습니다.
진짜 저희 결혼.
예.
그럼 나중에.
Prepared some mint leaves here, so we can make mint tea.
And a little bit hot water. And then cold water. Oh, delicious mint tea. 나왔습니다.
How does it taste?
I don't know.
Smell good.
Yeah, smell good. It's like gone.
Yeah, it does.
오, 14, 13.
오.
이게 보기보다 되게 차요. 두 바퀴를 하고 한 친구들은
They're having lots of fun. How's the feeling, Marie? So they say going on this cold water has a healing effect and it's very relaxing. After walking on the water, we are now walking on this pathway barefoot with these small stones. They say doing the whole process will improve your digestive system. So this is part of the healing process.
물 붙여가지고.
Hi, John.
Hi.
How is it?
It's not that pain for me.
How about you?
Not my style. Super painful.
So they say this has a healing effect to it. Let's just go with the whole procedure. How was the chicken experience?
Chicken is scary. But you can get close to them. So it's not like other, what is that? Chicken farm.
Yeah, where you just see them from
Yes,
afar.
yes. You can get close to them, and they didn't escape.
They don't get scared. Yeah, they just stay there. And how many eggs were you able to get? 10 eggs. So if you want to do this chicken experience activity, you can go to this village in Sancheong. It's Eolleji Pineun.
Eolleji Pineun.
Okay, so that's it for this video.